Thoroughly washing hands and forearms before surgery with disinfectant solution is known as A. Scrubbing, B. Washing, C. Rubbing, D. Scraping. And the correct answer is A. Scrubbing. Washing the hands, fingernails and forearms including the elbow with disinfectant solution prior to donning gown and gloves to participate in any sterile procedure called scrubbing. Scrubbing term also used to prepare the skin of the patient for surgery with an antiseptic solution. A patient returns after surgery, which is priority nursing diagnosis at this time. A. Ineffective breathing pattern. B. Deficient fluid volume. C. Diarrhea. D. Imbalanced nutrition less than body requirement. And the correct answer is A. Ineffective breathing pattern. Ineffective breathing and obstructed airway passages is always first priority for the patient. A child returned after a surgery. Which of the following would the nurse assess first? A. The IV fluid assess site. B. The child's level of pain. C. Surgical site dressing. D. Functioning of the nasogastric tube. And the correct answer is C. Surgical site dressing. The nurse must observe surgical wound site carefully during 24 to 48 hours after surgery for signs of hemorrhage. A client who smokes 2 packs of cigarettes per day is most at risk post-operatively for A. Infection, B. Pneumonia, C. Hypotension, D. Cardiac arrest. And the correct answer is B. Pneumonia. Cigarette smoking increases bronchial secretions and impairs ciliary function, which results into increased chance of pneumonia. Which of the following is the example of inhalant anesthesia? A. Morphine, B. Fentanyl, C. Nitrous oxide, D. Midazolam. And the correct answer is C. Nitrous oxide. General anesthesia produced by inhalation of gaseous anesthesia, for example, ether, nitrous oxide, and methoxyfluorines. These all are called inhalant anesthesia. With which drug local anesthesia administered to increase their side effect? A. Adrenaline, B. Calcium gluconate, C. Normal saline, D. Water. And the correct answer is A. Adrenaline. Adrenaline added into local anesthesia agent may cause vasoconstriction at the site of injection, so it delay systemic absorption of local anesthetic agent and decrease toxic effects. By this effect, it also increases the intensity and duration of the local anesthesia. The purpose of using isolation rooms in the hospital is A. To control infection by restrict ambulating, B. To keep an infection becoming endemic, C. To prevent further spread of infection, D. To maintain a sterile environment. And the correct answer is C. To prevent further spread of infection. Isolation rooms also called negative pressure rooms because the air pressure inside the room is lower than the air pressure outside the room. Contaminated air is sucked out of the rooms with exhaust system. Universal precaution in hospital involves A. Mask, B. Hand washing, C. Gloves, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Universal precautions refers to the practice to avoid contact with patients' bodily fluids and other infection by using articles such as medical gloves, goggles, and face shields, including hand washing techniques. Color coding for nitrous oxide cylinder is A. Black and white, B. Yellow, C. Blue, D. Grey. And the correct answer is C. Blue. All of the following points should be kept in mind while doing any sterile procedure except A. Face the sterile field, B. Keep sterile equipment below waist level, C. Never cross sterile area, D. Do not speak over sterile field. And the correct answer is B. Keep sterile equipment below waist level. To maintain sterilization of equipment while doing any sterile procedure, do not keep sterile equipment below waist level. CSSD used for storage of A. Dirty bedpans, B. Medications, C. Spoiled linen, D. Sterile supplies. And the correct answer is D. Sterile supplies. CSSD means Central Sterile Supply Department. CSSD in hospital helps to supply of sterile things and equipments. The objectives of BLS include A. CAB, B. ABC, C. BAC, D. BCA. And the correct answer is A. CAB. Basic life support should follow the CAB. That means compression, airway and breathing. This formula used until the help arrive.